Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I will be making some farmhouse home decor DIYs that are very easy and so inexpensive to make. Alright everyone, so I am going to start with my favorite DIY. I am going to make a fence. This was actually inspired by something I seen. I forgot if it was at Michael's or Walmart where they had these fences, and on the tag it had like a little picture, so I decided to recreate it. So I am using Dollar Tree items. And this decor sign, I did get it during the summer, but I think Dollar Tree carries these all year round. Just the picture is different and depending on the season. After I took this apart, the staples did leave some holes, so I am using a piece of sandwich to just smooth it out. And the next thing I will be doing is just putting these side by side, and to glue these together, I'm using some paint stir sticks that I had already cut to size. To paint my face, not my face, sorry. To paint the fence, I will be using the Waverly chalk paint in the color white. And look how nice the fence looks. Now you can add whatever you like to this. On the pictures I seen, one of them had Home Sweet Home and the other one had Welcome to Our Place. So I did decided to just put something different, which is gonna say Our Nest. And I started with these Michael stickers, which I will be switching later on. These are still kind of cute, and honestly it looks okay, but I felt like they were too small. The greenery I will be using is this eucalyptus one that I got from Walmart. As you can see, I already cut some stems off of this, so I'm just going to cut the rest. What I like doing is tying these together, one going one direction and the other one going the other. And to make this look like there is more, I do add some greenery to each end. Using a piece of jute twine, I'm going to just tie him in the center, then I'm going to glue him on the side. To finish it off, I added a bow I made out of this Michael's ribbon. And here is where I switch my stickers, and I'm still putting Our Nest, but I'm using these stickers that I got from Dollar General, which were very inexpensive. They were only $2. I honestly think these stickers look so much better than the other ones, but I would love to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comment section which one you prefer. And that is it for this Our Nest decor fence, which I think it turned out beautiful, and it was so easy and inexpensive to make. My next DIY is going to be very easy and simple. This is actually more like a hack. So from Dollar Tree, I will be using 2 of these decor signs. These are new to Dollar Tree. They do have several. I think they have like 2 more different designs, which I only got 3. But anyway, I am using these, and I decided to use the Home Sweet Home for this, but I didn't like how this dark frame was on this dark picture, so I decided to just switch the frame, so I will have a white frame and a gray background. I then use some Mod Podge to glue the picture to this, and I'm using a matte one, which I really like instead of the glossy one. So because I always ruin brushes when I use Mod Podge because I forget to rinse them off, I decided to use my finger. Before I place the back piece back on the frame, I did let it dry for a couple of minutes. And look how beautiful this looks. Now to decorate this, I will be adding a wreath. Now this little wreath does come from Target. The picture had a hook where you could have easily just oh my gosh, just hang the wreath, but it wasn't strong enough and then you could see the background. So what I decided to do is just glue it and then use a piece of this buffalo check ribbon instead to glue this to the sign. And that is it for this hack. I think I made this look so much better by just switching the frame and adding some greenery. For my next DIY, I will be using this 12-inch wood slat that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm going to simply just paint this using white chalk paint. To decorate my small little sign, I will be using these Dollar Tree transfer stickers, which I had these for a while. I have still seen these at Dollar Tree though. And I am going to just add some on each end, leaving the middle blank. This one right here was longer, so instead of cutting it, I decided to just transfer it to the other side as well. I do want to show you different options. Now, I thought about adding this Home Sweet Home little plaque that I took off from a Dollar Tree sign. But then I wanted this to say Farmhouse instead, so I did use my Cricut for this. You can always use the Dollar Tree stickers instead. And that is it for this small and cute tabletop decor sign. My next DIY is another simple and easy one. Now from Dollar Tree, I will be using a candle and some large popsicle sticks. I'm basically just making a vase for this candle. So I did cut several of these popsicle sticks. I then went ahead and glued them all around the popsicle sticks. And once I was done with this DIY, I thought about it. Once I do turn this candle on and the fire goes all the way to where the popsicle sticks are, if they're going to start popping off, since I did use hot glue, which I am very curious to find out. So once I do find out, I will absolutely update you guys in one of the comments on this video. The last popsicle stick, I did have to cut it in half in order for it to fit there. Now you can paint your vase whatever color you like. I was going to paint it white, but then I was like, you know what, white on white isn't going to look good. And then I was going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax, but I have so many things that already look similar. So I decided to use this gray color, which is the color Steel from the brand Waverly. To cover the uneven popsicle stick cuts, what I did is just add some jute twine around it. And then I also added a bow to finish it off. And that's it for this candle, which I think it turned out so beautiful. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.